Welcome to Allegedly Tarot.
Hey everybody. Boy, that backlash from with Love Meghan is just getting worse, isn't it? But I've seen a few uh puff pieces and like there was one. Did you see the one from Daily Mail? And it said Meghan Markle's pal reveals the phase that Lilibet 3 is going through as she defends the Duchess against criticism over Netflix show. That's a lot. That's a lot for a headline. And so if all else fails, bring out the children. A puff piece about the kids. Crazy. So what is Netflix going to do? Are they going to fire Meghan? Or I mean, my cards last night said that they were. So, or has she been fired? I guess that's what we should be asking. Has Meghan been fired? Because she had all these demands and everything. Did you see that? Allegedly, she had all of these demands, and even the board of directors or something like that, the board, uh, were on the CEO of Netflix's back. you know, about fix this and all this. So, about the trailer. And it said that they weren't going to change the trailer. So there you go. I did see that Instagram has blocked hashtag with love Meghan. Accidentally. Accidentally, it said. Okay. So what what is going to happen with the relationship between Meghan and Netflix? I mean, this has taken so long, and it's fake. I mean, she's not even in her home, and that was in the media. So I'm not lying there. So it's not allegedly there. But this, I just say this whole video is allegedly and for entertainment only. So what what is Netflix going to do with Meghan? Did they fire her? I'm just going to say, did they fire her, please? Did they fire Meghan, please? Oh, the Empress. um, look at that, and it's a baby bump. But this is like pregnant with possibilities, and it's in reverse. And I said, did they fire Meghan? Well, I guess not. But are they going to? Are they going to? I mean, get rid of her. Are they going to get rid of her? I bet they wish they could get rid of her. Are they going to get rid of her? Please. Are they going to get rid of her? Oh, the world. You know what? Also, the world has spoken. And if you look at that, that's kind of weird, isn't it? Because the world on the Empress and then the world. I said, are they going to get rid of her? And they're fed up with her. So that would be yes, the world, and they saw what the world has said. All the people, all the comments, all that. I did ask yesterday, are they going to close the comments? And it said no. And then they they kept them open, because they were talking about closing, uh, shutting off the comments, So okay, so they are going to get rid of her, though, like fire her, whatever. They haven't yet. Um, will they be working with her anymore? Will they be working with her anymore? I said to get rid of her, but anyway, will they be working with her anymore? The Four of Cups. They don't want to now. They don't want to now. That's something that you don't want. And look, that person looks fed up, you know, not happy. Like, they can't believe what is going on. And, we've heard that Meghan has all these demands and she wants the whole um, staff all fired and she wants a new PR team and all that kind of stuff. But is she going to get her way? Is she going to get her way? Because, the board of directors or whatever was behind her. Is she going to get her way, please? Oh, look at that. The strength. And that is her. That's her. That is her archetype. And the strength in reverse. That's funny. The Leo. No, she's not going to get her way this time. Good. I hope they stand up to her. So, how will this oh goodness, how is the show going to go? How is the show going to go? Will it fail or will it be successful? Will it be successful? The Six of Pentacles in reverse, I would say no. That is like a give and take, but somebody is taking stuff without giving back. And all that money is falling out of their hands. Look, so um they're losing money on that. They have already lost money on it. Did Meghan intend for it to be a flop? That's what I want to know. To get out of this, because her and Harry are not like together, and I mean this is allegedly, but where is Harry? Nobody's seen him. Like, so I mean, there's been pictures, but only old ones, right? And only in the trailer, so yeah. Did Meghan do this on purpose so she could get out of that contract? Did she do it on purpose? Act horrible on purpose to get out of the contract? Look at that, guys. Two of Pentacles. And that's usually like juggling things, but it's also look over here and look at the designer bags. Those horrible designer bags that she's in she's in trouble for or what. But I ask if she did this things on purpose, and that's Two of Pentacles upright. I would say yeah. That's what I would say. I would think that she did things on purpose so she could get out of the contract. And Two of Pentacles is also, that would be, I know it's not a contract, but to me, it would kind of be with with another person, but she's juggling things that, yeah, I think she wants to get out of that. So oh, she's horrible. Just to have a little bit of a try here with Diana. Okay, Diana, we are going to ask, did Meghan do this on purpose, have this big old mess to get out of the contract with Netflix? Look at that, guys, going to yes. Will Netflix work with her anymore? Will Netflix work with her anymore? And that is going to no. Look at that. Okay, thank you. And thank you all for joining me. I appreciate you all. It's lovely to hang out with you. And if you like my content, please press that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.